Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add the ads.txt file, which is needed for Google AdSense and playing other ads on your Shopify store. So let's get right into it. Now, as I've mentioned, you do need this txt file if you want to play ads on your store. There are alternative ways, however, this works best if you want to play ads, pretty much for sure. If you want fewer problems, I'm pretty sure this is the tried and true method for this, and it works the best so far. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, I do have a couple of disclaimers. First, I'm going to be acting under the assumption that you already have the ads.txt file at hand. You can go to your Google AdSense account and copy over some data into a txt file, which you'll then be able to use to upload onto Shopify. Secondly, I don't have the option to upload txt files to my Shopify store because I'm on a trial plan and it does not support txt file uploads. However, I will be going through this in quite detail, so you should be able to get everything, even though I won't be able to show you everything. But yeah, firstly, what you're going to want to do is, once you have your txt file, go into content and you'll have three tabs. You have meta objects, files, and menus. Go into files and click on upload files. Now, as you can see, I have a placeholder file over here because I don't have AdSense, but as you'll see, the file format is not supported on a trial plan, so I can't upload it. But if you have a paid subscription, you will be able to do so. Then once it's uploaded here, you will see this link icon. You just want to copy the link of that txt file. I'm just going to copy the link of this here image and use that as an example. Now what you're going to want to do, go into online store, and then you're going to need to go into navigation. Now I don't have navigation for some reason, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into redirects. Now I'll go into menu and I'll go into URL redirects from here. I'm pretty sure this is a good way to do this as well, so I'll just create a URL redirect, and what you're going to want to do is in redirect from, type ads.txt, and in the redirect to paste the link of the txt file you have created. Then just click save redirect and it's going to save it, and now you have your redirect to your ads.txt file. And that is pretty much all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.